There are so many useful tools and features within PC-DMIS that are hidden inside menus, within menus, within menus, and it can be a bit tedious to remember the exact location or just annoying to click through every time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own customized toolbar where you can add your own buttons. Some common buttons added to toolbars that I will show in this video are the datum definition, CAD vectors, and summary/command mode buttons. To get started, we want to right-click in the toolbar section of PC-DMIS, where we would normally select what toolbars to show, and click Customize all the way at the bottom. Now, if we go to the Toolbars tab, we can start customizing existing toolbars, or even create a brand new toolbar from scratch by pressing the New button. I'm going to edit the Quick Measure toolbar since that is pretty much the only one I like to use. So if I select Quick Measure, then I can see all the components that make it up in the toolbar definition section here on the right. On the left is the available items section where I can locate the buttons to add to the toolbar. Expanding menu items is just like navigating through the top menu bar, where I will find and select my CAD vectors button to add over to my toolbar. I can then use the up and down arrows to change the button's position. The next button I will add is the datum definition button. However, I want to add that button inside the dimension pull down toolbar within the Quick Measure toolbar, so it is with all the other dimension buttons. To do that, I just need to find the dimension toolbar and modify it here. Next, I will add the summary mode and command mode buttons so that I can easily toggle between the two. The last thing I want to do is to remove any buttons that don't get as much use so I can clean up the UI a bit. Finally, now that the toolbar is looking the way I want it to and is suited for my needs, I can click Apply and see that I now have a new toolbar that is ready to use.